Namaste Vidyao. Myself Dr. Pushpa Kumawat, Assistant Professor of the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, and at the Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is labeling and packaging of homeopathic medicine. We previously studied the sell, buying, and manufacture of the homeopathic medicine, and after that we study the labeling and packaging of homeopathic medicine. And let's the study in this subsection and rule of 106A, manner of labeling and homeopathic medicine. The following that the particular shall be either printed or written in the edible ink and shall appear in the conspicuous manner on the label and innermost container of any homeopathic medicine on every other covering in which container is fixed. The word homeopathic medicine and the name of homeopathic medicines for the drug included in the homeopathic pharmacopoeia of United States or United Kingdom. The name is specified in homeopathic pharmacopoeia is printed. For other drug, the name descriptive of name of the drug is printed. Means uh, uh, in homeopathy pharmacopoeia, name of the drug is given and write the name of the drug is printed on the as a label. The potency of homeopathic medicine for this purpose, the potency shall be expressed either in decimal, centesimal, or millisimal systems. Uh, Name and the address of manufacturer when sold is original container of the manufacturer. In case of manufacturer is sold in a container other than that of the manufacturer, the name and address to the of the seller. If the one manufacturer is sell the homeopathic medicine to another manufacturer unit, they should be given the name and address of the seller should be given on the container. In case of homeopathic medicine contain alcohol and the alcohol contained in the percentage by volume in terms of ethyl alcohol uh, shall be print on the label. Provided in case of total quantity of homeopathic medicine in the container in 30 ml or of less, it will not be necessary to the state of content of alcohol. Means uh, 30 bottles of 30 ml 30 ml should not necessary to the label to the printed of alcohol content on the vials or bottles. In addition to the above particular, the label of homeopathic mother tincture shall display of the particulars mother tincture. In district page, number of references to which detail of the manufacture of the particular batch from which the substance to in the container is taken and recorded available for the inspection. The figure is representing the batch number being precede the word batch number or batch or uh, lot number, any disinfected prefix. Manufacturing license number and number being preceded by the word manufacturing license number of like MFG license number, ML, no homeopathic medicine containing a single ingredient shall bear a property name or its label. After they will study the Dangerous Act 93, the Central Manufactured Drugs Rule 1962, the Dangerous Drug Import Export or uh, trans Transshipment Rules 1957, and the Central Opium Rules 1934. In this act, those medicine are containing opium, morphine, phytadine are used for addicting dangerous drugs, including coca, leaf, hemp, and opium. All manufactured drugs are medicine. Their form coca or erythroxylone, coca, cocaine, cocainum muriaticum, etc., cannabis and cannabis sativa, charas, opium, and its alkaloids, salts, and derivatives like codonium, cryptomium, narcotinum, narcoticum are prohibited. And if you are a manufacturer of these drugs, they must be given they must be give also give the permission by the government and authority license authority. The prohibition of act, no one no 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 one can sell these drugs, cultivated the coca plant and gather any portion of coca plant, and manufacture or process the prepared opium is banned. Prepared from opium lawfully processed by the consumption and the person so processing, import into the union of import and export of these drugs are under the government. The president of the union make the rules, restriction and regulating the manufacture and possession to prepared opium or opium which will lawfully under the clause. And the subsection is control of president over production and supply of opium. No one shall is cultivated of opium, manufacture of opium save in the accordance with rules, and subsection with the condition of license that the purpose with he way required to obtain under those rules. And after that we study the drug and magic remedy objectionable advertisement act 1954 and 1955 rules. In this act the control of advertising add of the drugs in the certain cases prohibited to add for the certain purpose of the medicine allies to magic quality and provide for matter connected therewith. This act may called the Drug and Magic Remedy Act 1954. It extends to whole India except the state of Jammu Kashmir and apply also the person domiciled in terrorist to which the act extend who are outside the said terrorist. It shall come into the forces to such date the center government maybe notification is officially gazetted upon. Advertisement including any notice, circular, label, wrapper or other document, any announcement by orally or by means of producing the transmitting light, sound or smoke. A medicine for the internal or external use of human being or animal. Any substance intent used for the diagnosis and cure, treatment and prevention of disease uh, in human and animals. In this act, various ad who promoted the medicines uh, for the purpose of like fair skin and weight loss, they are prohibited. Prohibition of advertisement of certain drug for treatment of certain disease and disorders. Subjected to provision of this act, no person shall be taken any part or publication of any advertisement referring to any other drug in terms which suggested or calculated to lead the use for that drug. Procurement of miscarriage in women, prevention in conception of women, maintenance and improvement of capacity of human beings for sexual pleasure, correction of menstrual disorder in women, diagnosis, cure, and mitigation and treatment of prevention of any disease, disorder of the condition is specified in schedule or any other disease, disorder or condition by whatsoever name called may be specified in the rule may under the act, provided no such rule shall be made except in respect any disease, disorder or condition which require timely treatment in the consultation with a registered medical practitioner for with there are normally no accepted remedies. All consultation with the Drug Technical Advisory Board constitute under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 If the central government condition, considers necessary, the other person having special knowledge or practical experience in aspect of Ayurvedic Unani medicine as the government rules. Prohibition of ad of magic remedies for treatment of certain disease and disorder. No person carrying or promoting the carry of the professional administration magic remedy shall be take any part of publication, any advertisement referring of any magic remedy which directly or indirectly claim the efficacy of any purpose of specified in section 3. Prohibition of import and export these certain drugs. No person shall be import and export for these magic remedy shall be main like Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani board of advisory board. Penalty where the controversies any of the provision of these acts, the rules made under the shell on convocation may be punishable. In a case of first convocation, the imprisonment with any extent of 6 months with fine or with both. In any case of subsequent conviction with the imprisonment and extent of 1 year or with 5 or with both. In this act we study the various drugs are banned for the ad for the such condition like abortion pills, uh, many other disorder. Thank you so much.